Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to install BlueJ, the IDE which we are going to use throughout this course. So, let's start. First, we go to BlueJ and then to the official website of BlueJ. Then we scroll down. You can choose whichever version you want to install based on your operating system. I use a Windows operating system. Now, the BlueJ installer has been installed on my device, and now I'm going to search for it. There it is, and now I'm going to open it. A dialog box will appear to prompt you to start the installation for the BlueJ. Click on Next. Now, you will see two options in front of you. One for the first one would be install just for you or install for all users of this machine. I recommend you to choose the first option. I recommend you not to make any changes to this dialog box. Now you can choose the path on which you want to install BlueJ. Click on Next and then click on Install. This will start the installation process of BlueJ. Now BlueJ is installing. BlueJ is one of the most famous and popular IDEs or integrated development environments to code in Java. It is very easy to code in BlueJ and it is color coordinated. So now I'm going to open BlueJ and show you how to create a new project. Now here click on project and then on new project. You can name your project any way you want. I'm going to name it Java Basics Bootcamp. Now I have created a package project called Java Basics Bootcamp. Now, if you want to create a program or class in this file, then you just need to press Ctrl plus N. Now, you can enter the class name here. I'm going to name it first program. So this was all for this video. In the next video, you will be typing your first program in Java. Thank you.